Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today's episode, I'll be recommending you some of the vegetable plants as well as flowering plants that you will sow the seeds in this summer season. Hope you have already sowed the seeds, but if you have not already, then I recommend you in the month of May and June, you can sow the seeds of different vegetables. They are easy to grow, easy to maintain, and easy to harvest. The first one I'll recommend you. This is some of the vegetable. This is a vine type of vegetable plants you can grow. This is the sponge gourd, and I tell you, lots of people like this sponge gourd, and this is easiest to grow. Make a machan and grow this. Second one I'll recommend you. This is the rice gourd. This is almost similar, and in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, this rice gourd is very popular. There are lots of vitamins, lots of fibers. Third one I'll recommend you cucumber, and this is the summer and some of the monsoon season cucumber you can grow, and within 3 to 4 days they germinate the seeds. This is the silver queen variety. Lots of some rainy season varieties are also available. They are nice to eat and easy for salad purposes, and easy to grow and easy to harvest. Within 40 days you can harvest cucumber. The next one I recommend you snake melon. This is also called American cucumber, and they you can grow in pots as well as in lands also, but in garden this is the better results you can grow. The fifth one I recommend you, the bitter gourd. This is the smaller one. This in Bengali it is called uche. They are very nice to eat, and lots of vitamins are here in, and in plants. If you grow this hybrid variety, you can get at least at a time 50 to 60 this bitter gourd in a plant at a time. So this is also very nice. Now these are the five. Now I tell you some of the other vegetable also you can grow. Pumpkin, this golden pumpkin is very nice to eat and beautiful look, and you can grow, and within 2 months you can harvest pumpkins. Another pumpkin, this is a lots of, and they produce profusely in 50 to 60 pumpkins you can get from one plant. This is also beautiful. The next one I'll recommend you, bottle gourd. This bottle gourd is a plant. This is the long gourd, and you can easily grow in your any of the garden, and just make a machan or can grow it over the fence, and in a single time you can get at least 10 to 12 gourds in this time. And if you will be bored to eat, because you have to distribute in among your friends and relatives, because such a huge productions of this bottle gourd you can get in your garden. Now next I recommend you tomatoes. This is the summer variety tomatoes. These are special kinds of tomatoes you can buy from the seeds, and when they attain 3 or 4 inch they attain, then you can transplant in your garden, but you make some shade so that you can grow in summer months. The next one I'll recommend you some of the special vegetables. This is called chilies. They can be grown round the year. You can grow different types of varieties, Surajmukhi or bullet, or some of these different types. And if you grow 3 to 4 plants, you can get the whole the kitchen needs. You can meet the whole the kitchen needs. And next, the some of the foliage plants, amaranthus, or some maybe different types of amaranthus, some coriander or spinach. You can grow leafy vegetables. This is the right time to grow these kinds of leafy vegetables you can harvest. Now I am moving to some flowering plants. First one I recommend you balsam. This for the summer months and some of the monsoon season. Balsam is the best because the plants are very hardy, and they profusely flower. Beautiful 8 to 10 color varieties you can get. The next one I'll surely recommend you. This is the Gampardina. This is a very hard plant, hardy plant, and you can get at least 100 to 200 flowers at a time in a plant, and they are readily they can grow, and in they'll up to 3 to 4 months they will flower. The next I'll recommend is sunflower. This is the sunflower miniature variety, and the flower is around 3 inch in diameter, and at a time you can get at a 40 to 50 flowers. And the special thing is that you can get the flowers up to September or October. You can get the flowers from here, so you can sow the sunflower miniature. The next one is Gilardia. This is one of the best favorite plants for the summer months. Up to 40 to 50 degrees centigrade you can get, and lots of varieties are available in this Gilardia. You must sow the seeds here. Now I'll recommend you Cosmos. If you are very new to the gardening, you can grow this Cosmos, and Cosmos comes in 12 to 15 color varieties, and the plants attain around 5 to 6 feet of tall plants, and you can get at least 50 to 60 flowers at a time from a plant. So you must grow Cosmos. This is the very easy. The next one is Vinca. This is a hybrid Vinca. You can grow in this month, but one thing, thing, you have to save from rain water. And the zinnia is the very common and the best plants you can grow in summer months. And the next one I recommend you summer marigold. This is very hardy, and when the plant attains 3 to 4 inch height, you can transplant in garden, and up to October or November you can get the flowers from here, huge flowering from these plants. Now I'll recommend you night blooming jasmine. This is Harsingar or Parijat. You can grow easily from seeds available in the market, and in summer months is the best. And within 1 to 2 years you can get the flowers, huge flowers from these plants, Harsingar or Parijat. You can grow now. Now the next one I'll recommend you Kochia. This is the some foliage plant, green foliage, some bushy plants you can grow, and they will give lots of greeny in your gardening. So now I tell you one thing you must remember: in summer months lots of insects attack. You can use Kaka, Theta or Super Sonata, these kinds of insecticide, organic insecticide you can buy and apply 1 ml per liter in once in a week. And if you have some fungal problem, fungal infection problem, you can apply Trichoderma or Thunder. These are organic fungicide. You can apply 1 to 2 gram per liter and apply every week in any of the plants, and your plants will be safe from any of the diseases, from insect disease or fungal disease and anything. So if you follow this my advice and things, you will be, the garden will be full of blooms and full of vegetables and flowers. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.